This video describes how to change a schedule that's currently dialing with a pool or a single number to start using TrackDrive Pristine Numbers. TrackDrive Pristine Numbers are numbers that will never show spam likely. But I'm going to go ahead and go to Setup here and down to my schedules. And I'm fixing the student loan schedule here. Now the key is on the outbound call settings. I have to see what I was using. So I'm first going to go ahead and edit this in a new window. And this is the important part here. I do see that the call type dialing pool is an extra token. I have to make sure, because this is probably used for call routing, that when I set this up to use TrackDrive Pristine Numbers, that I'm going to ensure I still have that same token. So I'm going to go ahead and say I'm going to switch to dial with Pristine Numbers. I'm going to then do the extra token and do that call type and pick dialing pool. And that way everything's set. Okay, so now you never have to buy numbers again for dialing. You will still have SMS numbers because of the campaign registry, usually about 49 numbers per pool, unless you want to play T-Mobile $2,000 to go over that. But SMS numbers now have to be kind of separated from dialing numbers just because of the way the SMS market has gone with 10-digit dialing, which is referred to as 10 DLC. But anyway, once you set it up, then you can tell the system how do you want to dial. What percentage of exact matches with the caller ID of the consumer do you want to use? So I set the 60% exact match, 20% in the right state but not the exact match, 20% out of state, and then toll-free if you want to try some toll-free to see how they're doing. We will report back what type of match we had so that we can analyze what consumers are answering. So if you start seeing that they're starting to actually answer more out of state, or they're picking up toll-frees if you tried some of those, you can just move your percentage around to get that to you dial with the numbers that they seem to be answering. And that's how simple it is to switch to TrackDrive Pristine Numbers. You would no longer have dialing pools on your schedules if you switch to Pristine Numbers, but you do have to switch each schedule you're running to Pristine Numbers. So I'll just save that. Now in our billing, we have a new commit level for Pristine Numbers. So if you don't want to commit to anything, we add 0.8 of a penny per call. $500 a month, we'll add 0.044 per call. Basically, it's per call. It's not per minute. So it's just trying, all these fees we're charging here help us buy the numbers that we have to make sure that we're dialing with enough numbers to never show scam likely for you. And we keep track of each number to see if it's getting no answer rates are increasing, or the answer time, the ring time is going longer and longer. So we'll keep track of that for you, but you never have to buy numbers again. It becomes real simple, and the answer rate should go through the sky for you if you're using TrackDrive Pristine Numbers. Give us a hit up on support@trackdrive.com if you have any questions, but that's how you change from a dialing pool and or a single number if you were dialing with a single number to set it to TrackDrive Pristine Numbers.